Hello everyone, I'm going to teach you C program, that is Introduction to the C program. C is third generation higher level language. C is case sensitive language and C program is known as mother language. Most of the people in the programming language, they first learn C programming language. We know English and Gujarati and Hindi and other French, such kind of languages. These languages don't work in computer. In computer, VR, that is computer only understand instruction. Question will come, what is programming? Programming means numbers of commands is making small program. One command can have numbers of instruction, and instruction is having operator and operand. A plus B is instruction, one of the instruction. A, B is known as operand and plus is known as operator. Instead of A and B, you can write 5 plus 6. So 5 and 6 is operand and plus is operator. Operator operand is instruction, many instruction single line command, many command small program, numbers of programs together is making one particular software. We have Word, PowerPoint, Excel in MS Office known as application software. We are just using this software. We don't write program in Word, PowerPoint and Excel. So there are some softwares which is known as application software, all the games application, paint software application. But there are some other softwares. These softwares are helping us to write our own program. Turbo C++ is one of the programming software. We need that software to write our own program. What is program? Just now I have explained to you. Here also, programming language when we used allow us to write an instruction that has only one meaning. It consists of predefined rules. These rules from syntax of that language. Hence, learning programming language is only learning new syntax to represent the instruction we want to give it to computer. It is like learning new grammar when we learn new language. All this programming language most probably written in third generation language. But computer don't understand third generation language. It only understand first generation language, that is ones and zero. So we require translator or interpreter, translator to convert third generation language into machine language. Before converting, it will check syntax and grammatical error. If it is having, then it will make us to rectify that error. Two translators are there. One is compiler and one is interpreter. Translator is one of the system software. So one of the system software is translator, and translators are compiler and interpreter, and C program compiler is used as translator which convert my third generation language into machine language by checking syntax and grammatical error. I am showing you structure of C program. Here, optional section, compulsory section, and user defined function. As we are beginner, we just have to try to understand this. We are going to make many programs. During that time, all this structure we will be able to understand very clearly. So first line documentation, second line symbolic constant, third line file include section, and the global variable which comes under optional section. Here we have compulsory section, means this is your program which you are going to write, which is known as defining program. Void main is compulsory user defined function. So it's a function plus user defined plus compulsory. It starts with left curly braces and close with right curly braces. And whenever you write any program, this section must be there. If this is not there, it is still going to work, but this has to be there. There is function 1, function 2, function n. You are going to write this program into text editor. Notepad is a text editor, gedit is text editor, Site is the text editor, or else you go to Turbo C++ and into that software you have area where you can write, known as defining that program which you want to write into text editor. After writing, you are supposed to save it .c extension, then you need to compile and then you need to execute it. I am going to explain later on about this structure of C program. Just now you just have to understand this particular picture little bit. Based on this picture, we are going to write our first program. So I am minimizing my screen and I am going to Turbo C++. This is Turbo C++. You have to go to File and click on New, and you are going to write program hash include stdio.h, known as standard input output.h header file. Then you are going to write void main, left and right curve bracket, press enter, and left and right curly braces, and here you are going to write predefined function printf. Every line in C program ends with semicolon. Hi, this is my first C program. Now you might be wondering what I have done. Let me show you from structure of the C program. Check this line, hash include stdio.h. This comes into file include section. File include section. Hash include stdio.h. Standard input output .h is header file. After that, you can see that I have written void main. This main is nothing but compulsory section, and there is left and right curly braces. So here you can see main. What about void? It's a void data type. There is left and right curly braces, and there is executable statement, there is declaration. Just now only executable statement is there. You can see the executable statement is, hi, this is my first C program. So here it is. I'm going to file, save, and I'm giving name first.c. Any file C program is having .c as extension. Save it. Yes, because previously I have already created one file with the same name. I am overwriting it. Let me compile. Translators work, and I am getting no warning, no error. So the third generation programming language is converted into machine language, and it is finding no error. I am going to run, and you can see the output. I'm closing this file. Opening again. File, open, first.c, compile, run, and I am writing here ktch. The program was successfully done. Hash include conio.h. File, save, compile, run. You can see the output, hi, this is my first C program. Thank you very much.